My name is Dennis Fink. I am an inventor. I invented pet steps for short-legged animals. It didn't exist. Now it does. I have a patent on this. Jug grips, patent pending. That's a sleeve that fits on the Yeti 1-gallon jug, so you can grip it to open the lid. It was a problem, not anymore. Invention FYI. This product took 3 years to market because I had no idea what to do. After I had the idea, I went online to find help. All these companies online are crooks. They're all thieves. And I was lost. I didn't know what to do. I was getting ready to walk away. I heard all these rumors. It cost you $10,000 to get a patent. Who's got an extra $10,000 laying around? So I said, okay, fine. What are we going to do? So time went by, ran to a friend of mine I haven't seen in quite a while. We started talking about this, and he tells me he has an invention on the market. I go, well, how did you do that? So he started telling me about all the steps that need to be taken. Step number 1, you need to get a patent. That patent information is in this guide. I go, I hear it costs $10,000 for a patent. He goes, it didn't cost him $10,000. He goes, call my guy, see what he says. So I called his attorney, $3,100 from start to finish. I said, I thought this thing was $10,000. He goes, that's what they all say. He goes, listen, if I charge $10,000 for my patent, I wouldn't have any work. Who's got $10,000 laying around just to throw into a patent? He goes, no, $3,100 from start to finish. This one, I got $2,500 into it right now, and I'm expecting maybe another $600 or $700 before it's all finished up. So that $10,000 myth is BS. Don't even listen to it. But that's what the industry is telling you. All these companies say, this is what it costs people, $10,000. Well, if you're stupid enough to pay the $10,000, $3,000 goes to the attorney, the other $7,000 goes to them. That's step 1. There are steps that you need to take in this industry to get your products to the market. All those steps are in here. So I was talking to my friend. He gave me all the steps. These are some of this information is very sensitive. You don't want to give this out to total strangers, like your social security number and things like that, credit card numbers. You don't want to do that. If you do that, you just lost your identity possibly, and they're going to take your product, you're going to take your idea, and then you left there standing with your hands on and go, what happened? I don't know what happened. Your bank account's cleaned out, you lost your idea, and then you just lost your identity. So I'm not saying all these companies do that, but are you going to take that chance? Knock yourself out. I'm not going to. So he told me what all the steps were. After he told me what the steps were, I got this thing on the market. It took me like 5 months, 5.5 months to get this thing on the market. Great. So I took that same steps, applied it to the jug grips, 4 months on the market. That's using a Chinese manufacturer. I had this manufactured in China, and from the thought to the manufacturing to the market, 4 months. This product, FYI.com, is 3 months. Not bad. So I have the information. Now, there's a company out there who's got more videos than the law allows. He's in the same business. He charges $3,500 just to join his membership. And then he's charging you for each individual step that needs to be taken. Step 1, we already know about that. That's the attorney. So right off the bat, he's pocketing $7,000. Man, that's a little crooked. That's a little much, a little crooked, since the way I look at it. Then he's going to charge you for each step that needs to be taken. Now, he had a coupon not too long ago for $2,000 off some of his services. My question is, if he's got a coupon for $2,000 off, what is he charging for his services? I can only imagine. Now, there's like 15 steps in this guide that you need to know. If he's charging you $1,000 per step, that's $15,000 on top of the $3,500 you got to give him. So you're already into it for close to 20 grand. And there's a big question, huge question, if you ever get to the end. If you look at the reviews, you're not getting to the end. A few people get to the end. A few, maybe a handful. So you don't want to go that route. So he charges $3,500 to join his membership. All the other people are probably about the same. I charge $350 for my guide. It's got all the information you need from the attorney all the way to the end. I have licensing companies who are looking for new ideas. We're all looking to license our product out. You can sit back and watch the checks come in. Brick and mortar or online, all that information is in here. I guarantee if you follow all this information, all those steps, you will be online. You will be on the market. This is the steps that you need to take. These steps are mandatory. A licensing company will not even talk to you about your product unless you have a patent. Won't even talk to you about it because they want to make sure that they're putting their money into a product. They want to make sure the product is secure. So you make the choice. $350 for the guide. It gives you all the information you need from A to Z. Or go to the other guys and see what it costs you to get your product in the market if you ever get it on the market. So you make the choice, $350 or whatever they charge. Go online, inventionfyi.com. Check it out. I hope you purchase it. Write me a review. I'm interested in your thoughts. Thanks. We'll talk again.